And then because I want at least a little darkness, I'm going to use this frosted. Should I use Ambitious? I've never used that. No, I'll use this. I hate the name of it, so I'm not going to even say it. It's the next to the last one. I really, truly hate some of the names of this stuff. And I'm staying right in the crease. Coming up just a little so it won't look like a line, but I'm really keeping the darker brown. It's got a little bit of the peach blended into the brown, and that's why it's a perfect color for what I'm doing. You see, it just gives a little dimension. This is not, this has it. Just a little dimension, not much. And staying above the eyelid, right above, see right there. So the eyelid looks a little bigger, because I have little eyelids. And we'll blend that out too. But again, we're doing out, in, like a line. And then blend that up a little. So you have an outer V. What that does is it draws the eye out and up. Make sure we did that better over here. Alright, and today what I'm going to do a little bit differently. Do I have a flat shader? Yes, I do. This is a flat shader. And I'm going to use a lot of fallout, this Ambitious color, which is a frosted bronzy peach. Put that right on the lid today. Now what you can do, I'm going to do something I haven't done in a long time. You can use MAC Fix Plus to spray on the brush, and that will make it, frankly, it'll make it wet so that you can pack this color on a little bit better. This is MAC Fix Plus. I have the little size that I keep for travel, which it is a travel size. It's the 1 ounce versus the 3.4 ounce. There we go. I just did 1 squirt. Just needs to be wet. Doesn't have to be soaked. And then I'm going right back into that color, and it will, watch the difference it'll make. Almost makes it to like a little paste. See how shiny that looks now? Here we go. I'm going to flip it over so I can blend that out a little bit. So blending up a little bit. See the difference? It's more metallic looking now. There we go. Right in the center at first. Get that color really packed in the center. See, like that? So it has like a shimmer, and then blend it towards the tear duct. You can even use that shimmer in the tear duct and then back a little. Okay, and then flip it over to the other side and come up, down into it, and that blends it into the crease a little bit. So it doesn't just look like this harsh line. Now, I will tell you something else I'm going to go back and do. Definitely, since you got that wet, go back on your cloth, your makeup cloth, and do that. And we'll circle both directions again to kind of get some of that off. And then you'll definitely have to wash that, because now you've got that color in there and it was wet. Whenever it's wet, you're going to have an issue. So I'm going to now use a blending brush and go back and kind of blend that out a little. Well, it's still a little damp, so that you can blend it a little better, especially on this side. I think I got too much right there. Yeah. There we go. And that just kind of blends it in a little better. Oops, I fall out. So what happens when you have fallout? Get either your fan brush or you do a fiber brush, because it's dense at the bottom and thinner at the top, so it makes it easy to flick things off. Don't ever try to rub it off, or it rubs it in. Yeah, because this has a lot of fallout, which probably means it's on either side of your nose, whether you realize it or not. So just go ahead and do that. There we go. Then definitely wipe that off on your cloth, because now that's on the tip ends of that. Which means I need to wash that. I really probably need to wash all my brushes. We'll just do that. It'll be a brush bath today. And I do like to use the Cosmetics brush bath. It's the best, I think. Okay, so for under my eyes, I'm also going to pop my shirt real quick. I need makeup bibs. They have those by professionals. I think what I'm going to do to kind of just be different here, rather than use the color that's on my lid, and I'm going to use my Unspit. I'm going to use this Young Love color, which is more pinky brown. It's almost pink. It's got a pink shimmer, and that's what I'm going to use underneath.